function in Tableau. Yet begin with, we use 1999 to 2013 datasheet for our visualization. We move on to sheet number 1. We drag clear dimension onto rows feet. Now we create clear a calculated field using clear dimension. So we name the calculated field as ends with clear. We begin the we use ends with function here. Ends with function here. The we have to use a string and a substring. So the string here is the clear dimension, and the substring we use here will be er. So we are searching for the strings which ends with the substring er. So we write here er. Now the calculation is valid. We okay it. Now the ends with clear dimension is newly created by Tableau. We drag and drop it the sides of clear row. Now it displays yeah, it says true for the strings which are ending with er words, and it says false for the words which are not ending with the er words. So we have displayed, we have experimented ends with function here in Tableau. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.